What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Not taking the Mustang out today. We're taking out the Eclipse. So I'm curious to see how much it weighs. I want to put it on a scale today. It's got the carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber hatch, the Lexan window back here. It's stripped out. It has a cage in it. It's gonna have a little bit of weight with the cage, but I'm curious to see how much it weighs. I know my GST, which we just sold, was 2860 without me in it. On a half tank of gas. So hopefully, this being all-wheel drive and not the front-wheel drive, it is just a little bit more, hopefully around 3,000 to 3,200. I'm not really sure how much they weigh. So we're gonna throw it on a scale. Some of you might be curious as well. And then we're going to fill it up with some E85 and then get a 60 to 130 on it because we weren't able to the other day and I've barely been able to drive the thing. So we're gonna take it out, see what we can do, 60 to 130, hopefully. On the stock transmission, we can get a decent time. I'm not going to be, banging gears too much. Might be granny shifting, so don't rag me too hard in the comments. But let's go. Let's go see what it does.
She's official, guys. She is official. Oh no! Oh yeah. No, again, no!
Failed. This car doesn't like stickers.
Filling her up. Her first E85 fill. What's up, buddy? I got him over here too.
Full tank of gas, and we are looking at, that's hard to focus there, but 3,060 pounds. That's pretty damn good. So yeah, 3,060 pounds. That's pretty damn light. So the carbon fiber and the cage and the stripping definitely helps. 3,060 pounds in an all-wheel drive car, that's no joke. Oh, come on.
This is an ad for Sentiva.
Sentiva?
Do you need your counters nice and sparkling clean? Then you should get Sentiva.
Sentiva?
It's a disinfecting multi-surface cleanser. Scented Tanachalon Grapefruit Splash. And it's 32 fluid ounces. Oh, and there's even a free scratch and sniff included.
There you go. Let's go.
You guys smell that?
Go get out. Go get out. Alright guys, so unfortunately I don't have any footage of these runs, but just for a comparison, this is my Mustang, the twin turbo Mustang, and you can see here 0 to 60, 4.5 seconds, and the total was 8.2. This was on low boost, but then this is the Eclipse, but you can see this, yeah, see that miss-shift? 9.1. But if you look at the 60 to 100, it was 3.44 seconds. So the Eclipse is definitely faster than the Mustang on low boost. The Mustang did at 8.2, and I tried a bunch of times. I only tried this one time. I didn't have any time because I've been so busy, and we ended up hitting traffic every time I tried it. Traffic. So I'm going to get out in the next video. I'm going to get them out, put it on the windshield because I had to put it on my lap. I couldn't hold it. No one would go out with me to film. So unfortunately I wasn't able to get footage of that, but the next video I will get footage of it, and we will try to get better than 9.1, because I know the car has better than 9.1. It took me like 3 seconds to get it back in gear. I keep missing 4th gear. Tried it twice, missed 4th gear both times. So that's on me. I gotta get a little better at driving it, but we're gonna get it back out there and do a little better. I will catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned. More to come with this car. We're gonna get it on the dyno as well. I'm just glad that I was able to scale it and then get a rough idea of where it'll be 60 to 130. So hit that like button for me, guys. There'll be more coming, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.